Hey everybody, it's me Nancy today. Hope everybody's doing well. Today it's just me today, and I'm making potato wedges out of my own recipe. It's a little different from most, but I think you're gonna like it. Here I've took, you can use any kind of potato chip you want. You can use ranch, just any flavor. What you do is, you crumble them up in a bowl, just like this. Okay, I got 1.5 cups of mayonnaise and 1 cup of olive oil that I've mixed together in this bowl. Okay, I've already cut up my tater wedges. I washed my potatoes first, and I cut them in wedges, and then I dried them. So this is what your wedges is going to look like. Now what you do is, you take a potato wedge, and you simply roll it, dip it in the mayonnaise and the olive oil. Then you want to take it, which is very simple and easy, take it and roll it in your potato chips. And it should come out looking like this. Very crunchy. Those chips make it have such a good flavor. And then you put them on your baking sheet. So I'm going to keep on doing my potatoes and rolling them. If you have any excess mayonnaise, you know, just enough to coat it. And then you just do this. Take and roll it in your potato chips. Now I'm going to finish doing the rest of these, and I'll be right back when I've got all of them done. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Now I've got all my wedges, see how nice looking they are, on my baking sheet. I said it was something else a while ago, but y'all know what I mean. And you know, when you make this, you can use any kind of potato. Russet potato, sweet potato, any kind of potato that you want. And I had so many that I had to make 2 pans. So here we go. But they're so good. Okay, what I'm going to do next is, I'm going to sprinkle some paprika on it to give them just a little bit of color. This makes them look nice. And if you like the taste of paprika, which I do, that'll make it even better. So I got my oven at 375, and I'm going to put these in the oven, and I'm going to let them bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. So as soon as they're done, we're going to come back and taste them. Okay? Okay, everybody. I got our potatoes out of the oven. Just look at them, how crunchy they are and crusty they are. They're piping hot right now, but I'm going to do a taste test and show you guys and taste them and show you just how good they are. And you can use them with any kind of sauce you want to. Okay, everybody, got these potato wedges out here. I got me some ranch dressing with these tater wedges. These potato wedges are so crunchy, but be careful when you first get them out of the oven because they are hot. Let me take a bite. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so good. Oh! Can you come down a little bit? Hey everybody, it's me Nancy, Two Crazy Friends Cooking. Today I'm here with Bob Patel at his store. He has a wonderful store. Say hey, Bob.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
For y'all that don't know, he serves food and you get just about anything you want up here. He is super nice. Everybody loves him, and we just want to give a shout out to him at his store. If you've never been, you got to go. The food is awesome.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
All right. Bye, Bob.
Thank you.